Good morning, everyone. It's Monday, the 1st of March. We've had a lovely sunny weekend, so I hope you all managed to get outside at some point. And welcome back. Welcome back to school. Now we have one more week in the current partial opening situation, and we are really looking forward to welcoming everybody back in a week's time. So things are looking brighter. I'm very pleased to say. Now I'm going to share my screen as usual. Here we go. Now let me get on to the start of the slideshow. So there we are. Good morning, everyone. Now, as you may remember, our core value for this half term is kindness. And what has been lovely is having a look at all your acts of kindness this week. So just a reminder of what kindness means. And it is the quality of being generous, helpful, or caring about other people, or an act showing this quality and expecting nothing in return. And I think that part of it is really important. We don't do the things because we're expecting a certificate every time or a round of applause, but we do it because it's the right thing to do, to be kind, because we need to treat each other as we would like to be treated. And I think that's the golden rule of kindness. Now, as you may or may not be aware, kindness is always noticed and remembered. So the person that you show kindness to, and as we learned last week, the animal or the creature even that you show kindness to, they always remember as well. Do you remember the video about the chimpanzees? So we're going to have a look first this morning at our kindness jar. Now, it started off last Monday morning. I put it in the dining hall and it was completely empty. Now it was crammed full. So this is the jar that I took home, and you could barely get any more bits of paper in there. And I spent a really lovely time yesterday reading through all of your slips of paper, all of your acts of kindness. So children at home, I hope you joined in, and I hope you thanked maybe members of your family or maybe your friends that you've seen on Zoom for any kindness that they have shown you, even if it was just a smile. So it was a really great way to start the first week back after half term. So there you can see, this is my little desk at home yesterday when I was reading through them, got them all out and I read every single one, and it really brightened my day. There were 26 acts of kindness all together, so which was fantastic. So I thought what would be really nice is to read a few of them. So I'm just going to stop sharing my screen for a second. I've got them all piled up here in front of me, look, and I'm just going to pick a few at random. So here's one here. This is a note for Ollie, and it says, Ollie, because since I have moved here, he made me feel welcome. So well done to Ollie. And someone has written, I think I've got a really good idea of who that will be. A lovely act of kindness note for you. We've got, let me see. So this one says, today, Gabriella showed me an act of kindness in the playground because she was listening to some of my things that I wanted to tell her. So being a good listener, being a good friend, taking time to sit with your friend and hear any worries that they may have, or even any funny stories that they want to tell you. So that's lovely. So well done, Gabriella, for showing that act of kindness. We've got this one, a slightly anonymous one. I don't know who wrote it, but well done to Daenerys, because you made someone's day by sitting with them last week. It just says, Daenerys, for sitting with me. That was your act of kindness. Well done, Daenerys. We've also had some teachers and some staff noted for their acts of kindness. So this one is from Mrs. Ray, and it says, Mrs. Humphrey has made me cups of tea this week. So that's from Mrs. Ray. Look at that. So the teachers and the staff are joining in our acts of kindness this week, which is lovely to hear. Let's see, what else have we got? Ella has said her mum has helped her make her bed last week, so she wanted to nominate her. Well done, Ella. That's your one. This is another lovely one to read. Everyone plays with me at break time, so Javier wants to thank everyone for their acts of kindness. So well done, everybody, making sure no one's missing out. Another one here. Harrison was kind to Samuel by playing with him on that day. So well done, Harrison, for showing kindness to others and making sure everyone joins in your games. Oh, we've got one for Mr. Sell from the ladies in the kitchen. So thank you to Mr. Sell for fixing our dishwasher and our steamer. So well done, Mr. Sell. Another act of kindness last week. Let me see. Oh, this one is quite a long one. Look at this, from Miss Kay. And it says, today, Oak class was demonstrating an act of kindness by working well as a team, trying equally hard and staying focused during the English lesson. As a result, each child completed their tasks well and learned something new. Their effort and positive attitude towards learning made my day. So well done, everybody. That's from Miss Kroniak. A lovely letter to read. Oh, Zoe, I'm not sure which sister this was, but you said your sister helped you do your hair on one day last week. So thank you for noting that down. Zena has also wanted to thank her mum. She said, when mummy helped me with my work. So thank you to Zena's mummy for being kind and helping Zena with her work. Let's see, what else have we got? Oh, Faith has been kind to me today by playing with me and listening to what I had to say. Ria had also been kind to me by making me laugh. So thank you, Gabriella, for nominating Faith and Ria in a lovely little note there. Gosh, I don't know if I've got time to read all of these out. Let's see what else we've got. Oh, here's a thank you to Miss Kay. So today in maths, Miss Kay helped me so I can get the answer, and that made me feel nice. So then I got the answer right because Miss Kay helped. So this is anonymous. I don't know who wrote that. So thank you, Miss Kay. Oh, we've got Raf was kind to Ronnie by playing with him inside and outside. Well done, Raf. And Eniola wanted to say a thank you to mummy, to her mummy, to mummy. Thank you for taking care of me, from Eniola, which is lovely. We're thanking people in school and out of school. There's another lovely one, Ayana, because she sat and ate her lunch with me. Not sure who that was, but well done, Ayana. And oh my goodness, let me see. Gosh, some of these. We've got, oh, this is a lovely one. This one is from Dylan. My mum makes me a milkshake when I am sad. So that Dylan wanted to say that that was a very kind thing for his mum to do. So well done, Dylan's mum. Tia has written, yes, Destiny, my friend, helped me up when I fell over. So thank you, Tia. Well done for looking after your friend. And who have we got here? This one is from Gabriella. She says, Ria and Hamid have been kind to me today because they played with me and they made me laugh. And what's lovely is Gabriella's put, now I can be kind to someone by smiling at them. So that's all it takes sometimes, is a nice smile to make somebody's day. And Ria has written loads on here. I don't know if you can see, but I'm going to read the top one out. She said, today Faith has shown an act of kindness to me because in the playground we were playing a game and everyone gathered round and they started talking, even though I asked them to listen. Faith didn't talk, but stayed silent, showing an act of kindness. Now she has made my day enjoyable and fun. So well done, Faith, for being a good friend and listening to your friend as well. Sometimes it's not talking, it's listening that people really appreciate. And let me see, I think, oh, we've just got this one. Thank you to Chloe for her kindness, just in general. Oh, Destiny wanted to thank Tia for playing with her and helping her when she was sad last week. So well done. And let me see, who is that? I think that is more or less it. Or someone wanted to thank their brother this week, but they didn't put their name on. So well done, everybody. I think what a wonderful week we had in school at Forest. And I'm sure those of you that are learning from home, I hope you joined in and showed your family acts of kindness last week, and every single one of them would have been noticed. So well done. Well done. What a lovely start to this week. Now I'm going to share my screen again. Here we are. Now, whoops, let's go back. Lots of exciting events are happening this week because it is our reading week and we also have Happy World Book Day, and that's taking place on Thursday. So I wanted to run through all the things that Miss Coombs has very, very kindly planned for us all. Now, this is children in school and children learning from home. So let's have a look at what's happening on each day. Now, today, we are looking for you to send in photos of your extreme reading. Now, I don't know if you recognise the crazy person in this photo, but we want you to take a picture of yourself reading a book somewhere exciting or somewhere unusual. So whether that is reading a book on a trampoline, reading a book under the stairs, reading a book under your covers, reading a book outside somewhere, please do take a picture today and then send them in via Google Classroom. And it would be lovely for your teachers to have a look at those in their Zoom calls today. So that is a bit of a reminder. See if you can do a better job than I did. So this took about 7 takes, I have to say. We've also got something really exciting to introduce to you today as well. We are introducing Bug Club to everyone. Now we have signed up for this program and the teachers have set you up. And it is a reading program where there are thousands and thousands of books online that you will be able to read and then earn coins once you've asked a couple of questions about the books that you have read. Now you can use those coins to kind of design your own page on the Bug Club website and to play games. So your teachers will talk you through this today, and there's also a letter going home to parents, and we'll send a link so that your parents can have a look at a video that shows you all around the site as well. So that's really, really exciting, and I hope that you all really enjoy reading the books that are online. So it means that as well as the books that you get to take home from school, from our book corners, you will always have a stock of books that you can access. So that's really exciting news. On Tuesday of this week, we're inviting you to write a letter or a postcard to your favourite author. Maybe ask them a question about the book that they've written or a particular character, or kind of explain why you enjoy reading their books so much. Now, this is one of my favourite authors. This is David Almond, and he wrote one of my favourite books of all time, Skellig. And I would ask him who inspired his character Skellig. Where did that idea come from? And was it a real person? Was it from a dream? Was it something that he'd read or seen? That's what I would like to ask him. So think about your favorite author and what you would like to ask them about their inspiration. You're also going to be invited to write a book blog or record a vlog, which is a video blog. And We have put a limit on this though, so it's not as easy as it sounds. Can you write a blog about your favorite book in no more than 200 words, which sounds a lot of words, but actually isn't at all once you start writing. So think about a book that you've read recently, or maybe a book that you've read over and over again. And again, I've chosen Skellig. I've read this book about 3 or 4 times. Tell us why it is your favorite book in 200 words. Or can you record a video of you talking about your favorite book in no more than 60 seconds? So either recording a video of 60 seconds or writing a blog of 200 words. We really want to hear what your favorite books are. So please have a go at doing that. On Wednesday, children in school, and hopefully those of you at home, we would like to invite you to recreate a scene from your favorite book using natural materials outside. So whether your favorite story is Matilda, Skellig, let me think, oh, I don't know, The Illustrated Mum, any of those, Harry Potter, your favorite book, see if you can recreate a scene outside using materials that you will find around on the floor, like leaves, pebbles, sticks, and send it in. Take a picture, send it in, post it on Google Classroom, or ask your parents to email it to the school so that we can have a look at your photos. We would love to have these on display as well somewhere in the school. Now, on Thursday, the 4th of March, it is actually World Book Day. So we've got a selection of things that you might want to have a go at. You could find an old t-shirt and maybe design your favorite cover onto the t-shirt. You could find a wooden spoon or a potato and make it into a character from a book. Now, children in school, we are going to be doing the wooden spoon idea this year, but children at home, you could either join us, and if you have a wooden spoon that you can recreate a character. Can you see in this picture here, they've made all the characters in the Gruffalo. Or you could find a potato, or I don't know, probably you could even dress a carrot up as your favorite character, take a picture and send it in. Or if you have, if you want to talk about your favorite character, or I don't know, wear a hat as your favorite character, dress your head up for your Zoom call for that day. That would also be really, really lovely to see. On Thursday as well, the staff at Forest will be having reading Zoom calls. Now, everyone is invited to those, whether you're at school or at home, and we'll be doing them in pairs. I think me and Mrs. Ray are going to be holding a Zoom call, and we will be reading our favourite book to you for about 10-15 minutes in that Zoom call. So all you have to do is when you get the email this week with the link, you choose which books you would like to listen to and you log into that Zoom call. So you can only choose one. So you're going to have to look through, decide which books you would like to listen to and choose one Zoom call to join. But in that Zoom call, there will be 2 different books read. So we are really looking forward to seeing lots of you on Thursday morning on our Zoom calls to share our favourite books with you. On Friday, now everyone again can join in with this, we are having a bedtime story day at Forest and at home. So we're inviting everyone to come into school in your pajamas or your nightwear. And in the afternoon, children at school, we will be having a bedtime story session in the hall in your bubbles. So, and which we'll be listening to a story, we'll be pulling all the curtains so it's nice and dark and cozy. And we may even have a special treat for you, those children in school. Now we'll be recording those sessions. So the children at home, you'll be able to see which stories were read during those sessions as well, so that you can listen to them maybe just before your bedtime. So that will be a really lovely treat for us all to finish the week, to finish our reading week off in the best way possible. Now, I would like to thank Miss Coombs for organising all of these events. I'm really, really looking forward to those. And just a final slide in a reminder. So in a world where you can be anything, be kind. So we made a fantastic start last week. Let's keep that up for us. And children at home, if you have been shown an act of kindness, why not send those in as well? Just type them in, send them in via Google Classroom, or mention them in your Zoom calls today. Anyway, let me see. Let me just come out of there. Take care, everyone. I'm really, really looking forward to welcoming you all back to school on Monday, the 8th of March. And until then, hope you enjoy reading week at home or at school. And I will see you soon. Bye-bye.